The excitement surrounding the highly anticipated dark fantasy film Chainsaw Man Reze's arc in 2025 continues to grow, captivating fans with its unique blend of horror and action. As the story unfolds, viewers are drawn into Reze's complex journey, where her struggle against inner demons mirrors the external chaos around her. As the tension escalates, Reze finds herself facing not only terrifying foes, but also her own past, making every decision a matter of life or death. The film masterfully intertwines visual effects and emotional depth, ensuring that audiences remain on the edge of their seats.